Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is two small balls, each of mass small m, are connected by a light rigid rod of length L. The system is suspended from its center by a thin wire of torsion constant of K, and the rod is rotated about the wire through an angle of theta naught and released. Find the force exerted by the rod on one of the ball as the system passes through the mean position. So this is the diagram we have given in the question. Now we need to find basically the force which is exerted when the rod on the one of the ball as the system passes through the mean position. So we have basically given that the mass of both the balls is m. So we can say that in the given part, mass of both balls be m, and they are connected by a rod which is having a length of, so we can say that rod length हमें यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दे रखी है and that is equals to capital L. So we can find the moment of inertia of two ball system. So therefore we can say the moment of inertia of two ball system, and that moment of inertia is equals to I, which is 2m multiplied by L by 2 का whole square, which is equals to ml square by 2. So this is the moment of inertia of the system. Now we have the torque which is produced at any given position theta. Since it is released from the theta naught, therefore we can say that the torque which is tau at any given position theta, we can write it as like हमारे पास यहाँ पे टॉर्क क्या हो जाएगा, टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू टॉरिजन कांस्टेंट k मल्टीप्लाइड बाय थीटा. So this is the torque. Now therefore this implies that we can say that the work done during the displacement. So therefore we can also find the work done during displacement, और displacement जो हमारा यहाँ पे हो रहा है that is from the initially that is from basically 0 to theta naught, and we can write this work done as basically W, which is equals to integration of 0 to theta naught multiplied by torque multiplied by that means displacement, that is tau into d theta, which is equals to nothing, it is equals to k theta naught square divided by 2. So यहाँ पे अगर हम एनर्जी थ्योरम यहाँ पे लगाएंगे तो therefore we can apply the work energy theorem on applying work energy theorem. We can say that we can say the kinetic energy, the change in kinetic energy, that is equal to half I omega square minus 0, which is nothing, it is equals to work done, and work done हमने अभी निकाला है, that is equals to k theta naught square divided by 2. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास therefore ओमेगा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू जो आ जाएगी that is equals to k theta naught square divided by I, which is equals to k theta naught square divided by ml square. और यहाँ से now we can just basically simply we can draw the free body diagram for this. So we can say that अगर हमारे पास पार्टिकल यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था, ओके, तो लाइक दिस, तो अगर हम यहाँ पे इसको सर्कुलर मोशन में यहाँ पे अगर ड्रॉ करें तो वी कैन से लेट्स से दिस एंगल इज अवर थीटा नॉट, तो दिस एंगल विल बी थीटा. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा हमारा यहाँ पे बेसिकली मोशन रहेगा इसका. तो अगर हम इस फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम से बात करें, सो फ्रॉम फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ऑफ द रॉड वी कैन से दैट जो हमारे पास फोर्स आएगा दैट फोर्स इज इक्वल्स टू लेट्स से T2, and that is nothing, it is equals to under root times of m omega square L square, basically L whole square प्लस mg का होल स्क्वायर. तो ये हमारे पास क्या रहेगा, टोटल फोर्स यहाँ पे रहेगा. और फाइनली हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ से, तो वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ T2. तो T2 की जो यहाँ से वैल्यू आ जाएगी दैट इज अंडर रूट टाइम्स ऑफ वी हैव बेसिकली m ओमेगा स्क्वायर पे हम रख देंगे यहाँ पे ओमेगा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू दैट इज के थीटा नॉट स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय एम एल स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एल, और इसका हमारे पास होल स्क्वायर है यहाँ पे, प्लस एम स्क्वायर जी स्क्वायर। Now we will solve this part and we can say that finally जो हमारे पास t2 की यहाँ से वैल्यू आ रही है, that t2 is nothing, it is equals to under root times of, we have basically k square theta naught की power 4 divided by l square plus m square g square. So this is the basically force and this is the answer for the question. So I hope you understood it well. Thank you.